Hi everyone, welcome back to my craft room. If you're new to my craft room, then welcome. Happy Tuesday, guys. I have a small Dollar Tree haul again here for you guys today. I did take some more pictures because I know a lot of people appreciate seeing, some of the other things that are out at Dollar Tree. They can't always get out and go run to Dollar Tree. So I did do that again until they start getting out some, really spectacular new things. That's probably what I'm going to be doing. But because there's just not really anything there that I really, want to jump at. Like the Crafter Square section and all that stuff is just pretty much same old, same old. I used to get so amazed, like, I don't know, probably a year ago. Every time I went to Dollar Tree, I'd find new stuff. But that just has not been the case lately. So anyhow, I'm going to flip you guys around here. First, I'm going to put up those pictures so you guys can see some of the things that I did not pick up. And then I will jump into this little haul. Okay, so I did grab another box of these. Everybody loves these, especially when the kids come down and stuff with the fudge mint cookies. These things are so good. Love these. I've been getting these for years at Dollar Tree. I didn't check the expiration on these. I have been really trying to remember to, where the heck is it? To check the expiration dates because we have come across a few things lately. Oh, it's right here. Nope. These are good until February of 2026. But we have come across some things that have been like expired by 6 months. So it never used to be that bad. I mean, maybe once every so many years I would find something that was expired. But lately, really got to keep an eye out. Okay, then my husband picked up another box of the 6 packs of the breakfast blueberry biscuits. He really loves these things. I'm not a big fan. I mean, I can't even say I'm not a fan of these because I haven't tried these, but I'm not a fan of this kind of breakfast biscuit. So these are all his. He loves them. Did get another box of the Lance sour cream and chives crackers. I get on these kicks every once in a while. I used to eat these all the time years ago, and then lately I've been back on the kick again. I guess it comes and goes. I don't know, but these are really good. I love them. All right, he got 2 of his V8s to take to work. He loves these 100% vegetable juice. So far, still $1.25. And then we got a couple of these he picked up, and he said they were really good. He took one with him of the Bush original baked beans in these little bitty cans. These are perfect for him, when he wants to just have a little something else at work to go with whatever. So yeah, these are I like Bush baked beans better than most anyway, usually. But that was that. And I think that's it for the food stuff. I'm telling you. Got some more tissues. You guys know me and my pretty tissue boxes, and we go through tissues like crazy in this house. Somebody's always sneezing from some allergy of some sort anymore, I guess. These are just the everyday tissues. You get 175 in here. I just love the prints they have. So I always try to find, you know, the prettiest prints I can find on these things. And then got this one. I like this one a lot. I thought that was really pretty. So yeah, I'm a big tissue box person. It's got to be pretty or I don't want your tissues. Did grab another 2-pack of Coast soap. It's our favorite soap that we use, so I always like to keep stocked up on these. So when I get down to like a couple bars in the cabinet, I gotta stock up on more. And then they did have some more of these paints. Now this one, the ones I got last time, did not say if they were acrylic or what they were, but I'm assuming they were. And those, I don't know where they are offhand right here. I put them somewhere. But they were more of like pastel colors. And yeah, these are just called Cream Coat Acrylic Craft Paint. And you get the six different colors. So these are great for, you know, little projects or whatever. Or for the kiddos, whichever you want to do. But that was something new. They didn't have those last Dollar Tree I was at. My husband picked up this headlamp. He loves these things, especially when you're working on things like under the sink or anywhere that you need to see, or even at night if you're something with somebody's car or whatever. These things are great. They're nice and bright, and you know, you just strap it on your head there and you got a light wherever you're going. Even if the lights go out, that would be great too. Just put that on your head and off you go. But yeah, it says it takes 3 AAA batteries. Batteries sold separately, so you got to put your own batteries in these, which is good because they're easier to replace too. And then in the plus section, I did pick up another one of these racks. That's what these look like here. I have one under my kitchen sink with all my different cleaning stuff on it, and I'll tell you what, it saved me a lot of space. So I'm hoping that this is going to fit in my bathroom cabinet. I'm pretty sure it will. Just so I can stack the things on it. And they're real easy to put together. I'm just going to show you quick here. Because, like I said, small haul, we'll just really dive into this stuff. And it has these nice, clear acrylic legs and little white caps here. Hang on, let me dump all this out. Pieces for 2 little stands. Don't lose the caps. All right, so let me grab my instructions. It's been a while since I put one of these together. Oh no, come back. Where'd you go? Of course one had to roll underneath my chair. Oh my goodness, come here. All right, so these would be the bottoms, these little flat ones here. And it comes with the instructions. It's just picture instructions, which I like best. But these go down here on the bottom, and you just snap those on. They're so easy. And I was, you know, when I first bought my first one, I was kind of like, I don't know how this is going to hold up. I'll tell you what, I've had it for quite a while now, and I have it fully packed with stuff under my sink, and it is, I mean, they're not flimsy whatsoever. It's a nice piece, and these were $5. So, but not bad. So that's it. You just put your little legs on there, and there's your bottom shelf. And then you just take the other ones and stick in here. And they go in easy too. I mean, they're going to stay, but they're not real difficult to put together or anything. There we go. And then what I do when you come back here. And then this piece just slips right in here. Easy peasy. If I can get it all to go even. Oh, I can't see it. Up we go. There we go. Yeah, you just put them in this top piece. And then you push it down. And if I can push it down, anybody can push it down. And then you just take your little, wait, I didn't get that one all the way down. Your little white end caps that come with it. And then they just go over this top hole to finish it off. And they look really nice, too, when you have them under your sink. It's a really nice design. I thought that was pretty good for $5. So if I can really use some, even in a closet, you could use these in closets, whatever. But yeah, aren't they nice looking? So yeah, there you go. You could even use this in the kitchen or whatever, you know, if you wanted to like put stuff on there. But that is it. That's what I picked up at Dollar Tree. I'm going to put this stuff away. I'll go grab little P, see what he's up to. And I will be right back. All right, little pig. Oops, I don't have your... Grab my paper towel here to stick underneath your little butt. Say hi, everybody. Would you like your peanut today? You... Not my finger. Boy, you've been a monster. Look at him. You're being a monster. Glad you like me. No, we don't want the peanut again? Or are you just getting that lazy that I have to open them for you? He was out there eating out of his bowl, so he might not be hungry right now. Yeah, clean your beak off. Was you eating? Oh, no. What do you want to do? I don't know. You have just been awful the last few days. I can't say he's been awful. He just wants to be with someone all day long. And, you know, every once in a while, got something to do. Huh. Well, you're not going to sit here and bite my fingers. But it was just, the last few days has just been, I'm going to sit on somebody or I'm going to scream. And one of these days, I'm going to put up a video of you when you're not so pleasant. They'll never believe you, pig. Look at that. He just wanted me to take the shell off for him. You lazy today? It is another dark, dreary, rainy, yucky day. Again. Humpay. It's chilly. So you need some sunshine. That's why you're miserable, aren't you? Because you need some sunshine. I hear you. I don't mind a good rainy day, but I'll tell you what, these rainy weeks are starting to get on my nerves. It's supposed to be nice, supposed to be, and it better be tomorrow, the next day. And then, of course, the weekend, here comes the rain again. That really stinks for everybody that works Monday through Friday, and then it's beautiful outside, and then it's like, yay, here comes Saturday, and it rains. All the live long day, huh, Peg? What are you doing to me? Is that your problem? You need a little vitamin D from the sun? Is that what's making you cranky? Yeah? I know. Well, tell everybody what your problem is. Uh-huh. I'm glad he can't talk. You'd drive me crazy, wouldn't you? Yeah, you would. I got enough of my Smokey out there talking. Ugh. My husband was out in the kitchen trying to fix some of the, you know, the little magnet things, keep your cabinets closed. A couple of ours have worn out. And he's out there trying to fix that. And, you know, of course, my African Grey's just in the other room. So I want to come out in the kitchen. Can I come in the kitchen? Because he wants to go out in the kitchen. He's a pain in the neck in the kitchen. So that's why we have like a sheer curtain in between the bird room and the kitchen. So they're not out there. Because they'll drive you nuts. Huh. Knock everything down. Anything that's in a cardboard box he wants to rip. Hey, will you stop biting me? What are you doing? I'm going to bite you back. But anyway, glad this one doesn't talk. Because I couldn't even imagine two of yous. Come on, come out. Come on, come out in the kitchen. Huh. Do you want this peanut or do you just want to bite me again? That one hurt, you little stinker. You're lucky. I guess I'm lucky that we trimmed your beak the other week, huh? Yeah, filed that point off of there. Are you miserable? You should be happy you're in here hanging out. Alright, well, you clean your beak out. What you got in there? Let me see. There you go. Man, you're a Krabby Patty. Do you want any more of those peanuts? Not my finger. Peanut. You're a brat. I'm done with you today, bird. I tell them all the time. I say, you're lucky we love you. Because, man, you can be a Krabby Patty. Luckily, not too often. He has his moments, though, huh? Did you get it all off? Huh? Yeah, now you want that? I know, I'm just going to hand it to you. Forget it. Get it yourself then if you want it. It's right there. Yeah, here's some more. My. Mr. Attitude today. Yeah. You don't want everybody to know your attitude problem, do you? Everybody thinks you're sweet. What are you doing? You look like you're getting ready to dive. What are you doing? Oh, it's like I'm done talking to you. Where are we heading now? Oh, the usual. Let's see what's on the floor. Nothing. Nothing at all, Pay. He's like, but I'd like to throw something down there. He's going to go right back to it. He'll remember that he was chewing on my paint stand back here. And I yelled at him the other day. And he'll remember he's going to go right back there probably and try to do it again. No, make a liar out of me. You're looking at it. I know you are. You sneaky. You sneaking your way over? Yep. I know what you want to do. Don't do it. You'll get in trouble. Look at me like that. You know you're going to get in trouble. Look at him. Inch by inch. He'll look down there and then... No! I told you that's what you were going to try to do. You are so sneaky. He's like, I'm not doing nothing. And then he took one little tiny chunk out of there the last time. Within like a second. Is another reason why you guys aren't allowed in the kitchen. Because you guys think my cabinets are chew toys. So no. No, no, no. Not allowed out there by yourself anyway. So I don't know the difference. Hunk of wood, cabinets, furniture. I don't know. And it's funny because in their bird... Whoops, I didn't put this back up. Sorry, guys. In their bird room, they really don't... I mean, I have wood shelves in there and everything else, and they don't bother them. But, I don't know. You don't want to mess up your room, huh? All right, P. Well, I think we're going to let everybody go. We kept everybody here long enough. What do you think? We'll go get some stuff done. It actually looks like it's brightening up a little bit outside. I'm not even getting my hopes up. So every time I think it's doing that, then it starts raining again. But anyway, thanks so much for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed this haul. And we will see you guys all next time. Have a great day, everyone. Say bye-bye, P.